And this is where the tree magic comes in. Personally, it's one of my favorite elemental energies is the tree magic, the tree energy. What we're going to work with is an actual meditation in the Animal Magic book that Alexis Cartwright, she channeled everything through. And actually in the book, there's a whole meditation. So I just felt really drawn to doing that meditation with you guys. So with the tree magic, it really supports the revitalization of your physical body and your emotional body when you've just been really depleted. So you know how sometimes when you just feel a bit drained or tired or exhausted, you've got a lot going on and you just feel really depleted and you just know you need to get out in nature and just connect with nature. So this is one of the aspects of nature that really supports that whole process, and that's the Dryad energy. And it really helps to revitalize your physical body, especially when you've been feeling emotionally overwhelmed and there's just so much going on. And it's just going to help you resolve any issues and revitalize your life force, really. So I'm just going to dive straight in with it. What I suggest you do is if you've got I can't play any music because it kind of distorts, unfortunately, over when I'm live streaming like this. But you may want to, and of course when you play it back you may want to put some music on in the background, which you might really enjoy doing that. So if you just settle down and close your eyes, and what I want you to do is just take a few deep breaths. And I want you to place all your awareness into your heart center. That's it. Just taking all your awareness into your heart center. Now, if you're listening to this on the replay, you may want to go outside and actually listen to this whilst sitting by a tree or hugging a tree. Or if you're inside, just imagine your tree. Maybe that you have a favorite tree that you just feel really, really deeply connected to. Or it's a tree that you can see out of your window. Or it's just a specific type of tree that you love. Maybe it's an oak tree or a willow tree. So just imagine that tree right now and just feel yourself sitting in front of the tree. And imagine, or if you're actually doing this outside, raising your arms either side above your head, or above your head, whichever feels comfortable. And with your eyes closed, feel your feet transforming into roots and growing down into the earth. Your roots are meeting and growing with the roots of the tree, and you and your roots are becoming intertwined. Just feel them going further and further into the earth. Just feeling that reconnection with the earth and the nourishment from the soil, cooling and soothing your body and soul. Now drawing up the energy from the roots through your legs and body, which are now becoming strong like the trunk of your chosen tree. So just feel that now as you merge and blend your energies with this tree. You feel your life force revitalizing you and a new sense of empowerment coming through you as you're growing taller. Feeling the energy being drawn up through your body, coming up through your legs, through your body, and through your outstretched arms, your branches, which are spreading out and mingling with the branches of your tree. Feel the cool air moving around and through your new branches. Sway and feel a new sense of freedom and ease rush over you as you open up your fingers and feel the air move between them. Feel the energy and growth and life filtering through your body. Now tilt your head up to feel the warmth of the sun or the coolness of the moon on your face. It is revitalising you, washing you with the powers of the feminine spirit. Now gathering the energy from the air, from the sky, from the stars above you, and channel it down to your roots. And take as long as you need now. Feeling the energies flowing through your body, from the cosmos coming down through the branches, and then up from Mother Gaia, from the soil, from the planet, from the very center of the core of this earth, blending heaven and earth together, the cosmos and the planet, and feeling that energy rushing through you, rushing through your veins, revitalizing you, rejuvenating you. Feeling so much stronger within your sense of self and your self-worth. Knowing that you stand in your truth of who you are. As you feel the energy of this tree magic working throughout your emotional and physical body, strengthening you. Okay. Now feel the earth energy leaving your fingertips and flowing down through your body, through your legs and back into the earth. Take it down into your roots, which are entwined with the roots of your tree. Feel your roots receding and transforming back into your feet. Your body slowly reforms itself as you feel your arms and legs and feet return to normal. Now look at your tree and give thanks to the Dryad spirit for healing your life force today. And if possible, leave a small token of appreciation, such as a small crystal, this could be energetically or real, at the trunk of the tree. As you are so grateful for the Dryad's help in supporting you. Clear karmic patterning, release power plays, and building your power center so that you can hold your power more effectively in your daily life. Okay, so opening your eyes now, just coming back. Okay, so So that was a meditation channeled down through by Alexis Cartwright, who's the anchor of transference healing, which is the energy that I work with. And it's in her animal magic book. And that's the tree magic, the Dryad spirit. So know that you can do this whenever you're feeling depleted, when you're feeling emotionally overwhelmed, or when you feel that you are in power plays, or when you're feeling physically like really depleted and tired. And it's going to really support you to rejuvenate, it really works on your physical vitality basically, and helps to resource you and resource your power center.